Hi, welcome to today's lesson. We are going to learn the letter U. That's correct. That's the letter U. So, we're going to pronounce the letter and most importantly, learn to read and write the letter in your Puppy Lines book. So let's go! So, let's listen to the sound and look at the pictures closely. The short sound, the short sound. Look at the letter U. Now look at the letter U. What's the sound of short U? The short sound of U is Let's say that again. The short sound of U is Now you say it. The short sound of U is That's it. Again, the short sound of U is That's correct. So, the short sound of U is Well done. Great practice. The short sound of U is Great job. Now look at the picture. Oh, it's raining. We need to use an umbrella. Umbrella. It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound Umbrella. That's correct. Look at the picture. Wow! That's a place. Is that a seed? Under the ground? That's it. It's underground. Wow! It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound I'm sure you're going to hear more about it. Now look at the picture. That person is doing something. Yeah, that's right. That person is called an usher. Yeah, usher. An usher is someone who assists another person at a door or elsewhere. Usher. It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound Usher. I'm sure you're going to see an usher someday. Look at the picture. I know who that is.
Is it a person?
Yes, it's a person. He is a man. Yes.
Is it my uncle?
All right, you know. He's an uncle. Yes, an uncle. I'm sure you probably have an uncle. Yes? All right. Uncle. It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound Uncle. Great job. Look at the picture. All right. Up. Yes, you can look up. That's correct. Up. It's something we do. Up. That's correct. It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound Up. That's correct. Now look at the picture. Uh-oh. Someone seems sad. Yes, that person is sad. That person is upset. Upset. Aw, upset. It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound Upset. Aw. Now look at the picture. Okay, that's something being done. All right. The word is unlock. Unlock. It means to open something that was locked. Unlocked. Unlock. It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound It begins with the letter U. It begins with the short sound Unlock. Great job.
Hi kids, are you enjoying the video? Hit the like button.
Boys and girls, let's get ready to hear the story. Look at the words that begin and has the letter U. So we're going to also say the sound. So listen up. Introducing the letter U. Now Irma was under the bus shed waiting for the school bus to arrive. It was not raining, but Irma always has her umbrella. When the bus came, she climbed up the steps and walked down to meet the rest of us. Off we went, passing the under the flyover. The letter U. Can you write the letter U on the puppy lines? Let's try and see. Here are some instructions before you start. You must write across the page. That is from left to right, which at the same time will help you to learn to write better. Now, let's look at your seating position. As a student, this is very important. You should sit correctly at your table comfortably holding your tripod pencil. Yes? Great job. Now, sit back up straight. Lean back on your chair rest. Do not allow your pencil to lean over the table. Ensure that your chair is pulled close to your table, and your feet must be kept flat on the floor. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Now, what's this letter again?
U.
That's correct. The short sound of U is Look at the picture, listen, then write the letter U. You pull down, around, up, and down. Let's say that again. You pull down, around, up, and down. Great job! Try it with your finger in the air. You pull down, around, up, and down. You pull down, around, up, Amazing and down. Job! Great! Now keep practicing.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future uploads. Now let's get back to learning.
Now let's write our letters like Peppy the puppy. Always remember that with body letters, you write between the dotted blue line and the red line. Let's try our letters like Peppy the puppy. Write the letter U in your Penmanship Puppy Lines book. Now, let's try it on the paper. You pull down, around, up, and down. Slowly. Amazing job! You pull down, around, up, and down. Don't forget to do finger spacing. You pull down, around, up, and down.
Amazing! I am getting better. Wow!
You pull down, around, up, and down.
This is super fun.
Don't forget to do finger spacing. You pull down, around, up, and down. That's correct. You pull down, around, up, and down. Wow! You have completed your lesson on the letter U. Now stay tuned for the letter R and the short sound of R is R. Goodbye, you guys.
Hi friends, our channel is just for you guys. Check the educational links below. You can even purchase these books on Amazon. See you next time.